Hey, welcome back. Today's a little bit of a different topic, and I'll be right up front and very transparent about this. A company called ProForShow reached out to me, and they said, we'd like you to test out some hearing protection for us and post a video on it. And I said, well, here's the deal. I would be happy to do that with some rules. Gotta have rules, right? So number one rule, your product has to be good. Your product has to be good enough that I'd be willing to do a video and tell other people about it. So here we are. I did test it. It is good, so we're going to do it. The other side of this is I get to keep this stuff. So sort of, in a way, it's a sponsored video, but not really. But I get to keep the cool stuff, so I'm okay with that. So here's the deal. I have got about 80% hearing loss in my left ear. That's why I wear one of those fancy things. One I need to hear. It's not from shooting. It's from the industry that I'm in and just years and years and years of exposed really high, loud noises and stuff like that. But that's a different subject. So here's the deal. I got this set here. I asked for a blue pair because I thought it'd match my blue gun pretty nice. And I compared this to a few different styles. Let's take a look at those. So when you're talking about a muff style, I have some Snap-on brand here, and they're kind of a semi profile. They're kind of in the middle. They're not like this, but they're not low profile like these. These are pretty good. They certainly protect your hearing. I think pretty much all of them do. Then there's these giant things here. These are made by Peltor, the Ultimate 10, and these are also pretty good. But when you're talking about a real super collapsible slim design, 34 decibel rating, these are pretty nice. So they sent us two pair, a purple pair and a blue pair. And I've had them out a couple times now, and we've tested them. I put on different pairs. Well, here, take a look real quick. I was just out this morning shooting and just trying on some different stuff. While I'm testing some hearing protection here, I've got the Ultimate 10. I've got these that are Snap-on. And then I've got these ProForShow that they sent me to test out for them. Let's see what happens. Those were the Snap-ons. Let's try the Ultimate 10. The Ultimate 10 are better than the Snap-on. Let's see if the hype of the ProForShow here is what it is. So after taking some shots here with these ProForShows, they work. They work better than this other stuff that I've got here. I'm not knocking these. These work too. There's an absolute noticeable difference in the noise reduction with these. 34 decibels. Very good. I like the collapsible design too. And I really like the fact that they're not so big and bulky. Nice slim design, big difference there. We'll use these the rest of the day. So there's a very noticeable difference between Snap-on, Ultimate 10, and the ProForShow. These absolutely, hands down, and I'm not just saying this because I got a free pair, because they're like 17, 18 bucks, so it's not like it's a lot of money. But these, for the price point, work really, really well. I was very, very impressed. It's a very, very noticeable difference in noise reduction. So I was pretty happy with that. But I'm also very happy about the fact that I can just collapse these up. They go in my gun case or my backpack. It's just, it's very convenient. And I like convenient. I don't want to carry big bulky stuff. I'd rather have things kind of compact. So I also tested those against just the regular twist up stick-in ear style. I threw them away. Don't have an example for you, but you know what they are. These here were hands down the best. I do think it's a pretty good deal for 17 bucks. And even if you had to buy a pair every year, because eventually, and I don't care what brand you own, the foam starts to break down a little bit, and you'll get some weather cracking and stuff like that. So, but for 17, 18 bucks, what the heck? I'm going to leave a link below to their, they sell them on Amazon, but I'm also going to link their website, and they have like 10 different colors. Now here's the thing, if you're going to get them on Amazon, they have 2 sizes listed. One is a small, one is a large, because that, unfortunately, is the, they don't have a standard size in the Amazon list. They're working with Amazon right now to try to figure out to sort of mitigate that. But if you order them, if you're the average person, just get the small size. Okay, one thing this company recommends is when you buy these, if they're a little bit too tight because they are foldable, collapsible, they're going to be a little bit tighter than normal. And they say if you just take them and put a block of wood or something in between them, it's going to help relax these just a little bit. So if you just put some sort of a block in here, just to help work that metal in a little bit, that's supposed to help. So I didn't find these to be tight at all. In fact, I found them quite comfortable. So there's my 2 cents. Again, they did give me these for free. I appreciate that. However, they seem to be a very good product, and you'll probably see me wearing these a lot more in some upcoming videos. And if at any point they ever turn out to be garbage, well, I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I like them. Sunday the 11th will be live. I'll post something. We don't have the time figured out yet, but it'll be me and the wife Lacey, and we're just going to chit-chat about stuff, just stuff. So if you guys have, if anybody has any questions, just write them down and log on and ask them during the live feed. We'll try to answer them the best we can. So, hey, I really appreciate everybody's support, and we'll see you soon.